Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have to learn about how to make beat solo for louder on an iPhone. So here the first matter we have to adjust our volume setting in your iPhone. Like as you can see in the images, you have to go in setting, then accessibility, and then audio visual and headphone, and then accommodation. So adjust the volume slider to your desired level. Then in method 2 we have to do a adjust your volume limit in your iPhone setting. And then we have to same going to setting in your iPhone, then tap on the music and then select volume limit and set it to the maximum level on the iPhone. And to method third is adjust your headphone accommodation. So going to setting and then sound and haptics and then scroll down to hearing section. Then you have to tap on the headphone safety and now adjust the volume limit to your desired level. In method 4, we have to turn up your volume on beat solo 4 with direct. Press and release the volume up button and press and hold the increase volume button continuously. So these are some simple steps you have to take when you try to raise your volume in your beat solo 4. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video with further information.